an age-old question. Why is negative times negative positive? Well, let's answer it. But to be very clear, I think we're okay with positive times positive. For example, 2 times 3 is 2 groups of 3. So 3 and a 3, yes, we get positive 6. Positive times positive is positive. Good. I think we're okay with 2 times negative 3, a positive times a negative as well. 2 groups of negative 3 makes sense to me. A negative 3 and a second negative 3 makes negative 6. A positive times a negative gives a negative. I can see that. Makes good sense. Then things start to get quirky. Here's a negative times a positive. Negative 2 groups of 3? Makes no sense. But people like to believe that negative numbers should obey the same arithmetic as ordinary numbers, in which case, no, James, just switch it around. Make it 3 groups of negative 2 instead, and you're fine. 3 groups of negative 2 will be a negative 2, and another negative 2, and another negative 2, and yes, negative 6. Negative times positive is negative 6. Great. But then comes the question we want. Negative times negative. Negative 2 groups of negative 3? Doesn't make sense. Try to switch it around. Negative 3 groups of negative 2? Still doesn't make sense. That is an absolute mystery. What should negative times negative be? Now, I know I've been trained to say the answer is going to be positive 6, but I want to see what the math has to say. Why does the math want that to be positive 6? Let's figure that out. And I'm going to do that by working out 17 times 18 4 different times. Here goes. To me, 17 times 18 is the area of this rectangle. 17 by 18 rectangle. But let me make the numbers nicer for myself. Let me chop the 17 into a 10 and a 7, and the 18 to a 10 and an 8. Because now I can work out these pieces with some ease. This piece's area 10 by 10 is 100. 7 by 10 gives me an area of 70. 10 by 8 gives me an area of 80. 7 by 8 gives me an area of 56. There we go. So the area of this is 100 plus 80, 180, plus 70, 250, plus 56 is 306. 17 times 18 is 306. All right, let's do it again. But this time, I'm going to keep the 17 the same, but I'm going to be a little bit quirky with the 18. I'm going to think of 18 as 20 and negative 2. Okay. I'm not in geometry anymore. This is not a picture from geometry. You can't have side lengths of negative 2 in geometry. But I'm saying this is a picture of arithmetic because I claim this picture still speaks truth in arithmetic. Watch. This piece, 10 times 20, 200. This piece, 7 times 20, 140. Great. This piece, 10 times negative 2. We're okay with positive times negative. 10 groups of negative 2 is negative 20. And 7 groups of negative 2, negative 14. Whoops. Terrible handwriting, but I've got 200 plus 140, it's 340. Take away 20, 320. Take away a smudgy 14 is 306. It's 306. The picture speaks truth about arithmetic. Even though I've got apparently negative side lengths, negative areas, don't be literal, don't think geometry. In fact, let's do it again. Let's now be quirky with the 17. Think of that as 20 and negative 3, and we'll keep the 18 the same this time, 10 and 8. This piece is area 200. This piece, negative 3 times 10, we're okay to switch that around. 10 groups of negative 3 is negative 30. 8 times 20 is 160. And 8 groups of negative 3 is negative 24. Let's look at that. 200, 360, take away 30 is 330. Take away 24 is 306. The math wants 17 times 18 to be 306. So now let's do the irresistible thing. Let's be quirky with both the 17 and the 18. Let's do it. We know the answer is going to be 306. The math wants the answer 306. So let's see what happens. This piece, 20 times 20, 400. This piece, 20 times negative 3, negative 60. This piece, 20 times negative 2, negative 40. And this piece is negative 2 times negative 3. That's our question mark. That's our question mark. All right, so what's math telling me? What is the answer to this mysterious problem? Right now I've got 400. Then I take away 60, and I take away 40. That gets me to 300. I want the answer 306. The math is telling me no choice. This has to be plus 6. I need plus 6 to get 306. Math wants negative times negative to be positive 6. There it is. It's a logical consequence of us choosing to believe that negative numbers follow the same arithmetic as positive numbers, in which case arithmetic tells us, please make negative times negative positive. There it is. Oh, beautiful.